Are you looking for extra ways to earn income online? You are in the right place. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I mean, in today's fast-paced world, many people are seeking ways to earn, supplement income and maximize their earning potential. So whether you're saving up for a dream vacation, you want to pay off your debt, or you're simply looking for ways to increase your financial security, guys, making money during your spare time can be a game changer. And here are some top tips to help you unlock your earning potential and make the most of your free time. First thing I would advise you to do is to explore the gig economy. Guys, the gig economy has revolutionized how people earn money on their own terms. Consider leveraging your skills and talents in freelance work like graphic design, writing, web development, or even virtual assistance. There are online platforms like Upwork, like Fiverr, like TaskRabbit. They connect freelancers that are seeking specific services, and they allow you monetize your expertise during your spare time. Now, go ahead and start a side business. If you have a passion or a hobby that can be turned into a business, why not consider starting a side hustle? Yeah, so from selling handmade items, crafts on Etsy, like what I have in here. This is also one of my pieces. I'm a fashion designer. This is also one of my pieces. Yes, this Ankara is also one of my pieces. So yes, that's something that you are passionate about, that you know how to do. Start to sell it online. So guys, from selling your handmade crafts on Etsy to launching your online store, the possibilities are endless. And with dedication and a well thought out business plan, your side business can flourish and become a reliable source of additional income. Next thing you can do is participate in online surveys and market research. Do you know that there are several companies that are offering compensation for participating in online surveys and market research? Yes, it can be an easy and convenient way to earn a few extra dollars during your few moments. But guess what? I have a website that pays as much as $1,850 just to do a survey. Yes, you heard me right. And I'm going to share it to you real time. If you want to find out how this particular website, just join my Patreon community and yes, book a free consultation and I'll show you exactly. You know, here, I spill the tea to my people and tell me, let's go. But you know, there are still websites like Quackbox.com, like Survey Junkie, and there's also Vindale, yes, and making money. Yes, so you can also become a rideshare or a delivery driver. Yes, if you own your car and you have some spare time during the evenings or even weekends, becoming a rideshare or delivery driver can be lucrative. Yes, it can be a lucrative option. And there are companies like Uber, like Lyft, like DoorDash, you know, and they provide opportunities to earn money on your own schedule. Just be sure to review the requirements and consider any additional costs like your gas and your maintenance. Another thing you can do is to rent out your space. If you have an extra room, garage or parking space, consider renting out your space to generate passive income. Now, Airbnb allows you to list your spare room or property for short-term rentals, and there are websites like Neighbor.com. They enable you to rent out your storage space to individuals that are looking for extra storage space. You also know that you can invest in the stock market. Yeah, investing in the stock market can be a way to grow your money over time. There are online platforms like Robinhood, Acorns. You can start investing small amounts of money. However, always approach investing with caution and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Another thing you can do is to monetize your hobby. Do you have a talent or hobby that other people might be interested in, whether you're highly skilled in teaching a particular subject, conducting workshops, or selling your artwork? Monetizing your hobbies can be fulfilling and financially rewarding. There are countless opportunities to actually unlock your earning potential during your spare time. When you explore the gig economy, starting a side business, participating in online surveys, becoming a rideshare delivery driver, renting out your space, investing in the stock market, monetizing your hobbies, you can generate extra income and move closer to your financial goals. Remember that consistency and determination are key to making the most of these opportunities. So go ahead, seize the moment and start unlocking your earning potential today. So guys, you know I mentioned these are ways to make money, but I will tell you something for a fact. If you know for sure that you really want to maximize your earning potential, go ahead and register your business today. Yes, I know you'll be like, oh, why do I need to register my business? Hello, are you gunning for the big box or are you just gunning for what is available? Hello, if you really want to make real money on the streets of the internet, I'm telling you, go to the nearest county today or tomorrow morning, depending on when you're watching. Go to the nearest county and get your business duly registered. How do you do it? Just go with your ID. Go with, what else do you need to go with? Just the name of your company. You can start as a DBA, doing business as, or you form an LLC. Well, you know, the LLC formation can be a little bit technical because in some cases you have to pay, I think, $800 in a year. Like, I think is a yearly thing. And in case you haven't made so much money or you cannot part with $800, just stay safe. Start with the DBA. Go to your nearest county, get your business duly registered. The next thing you need to do after registering your business is to do a newspaper publication. Don't be afraid, don't worry. It's not as cumbersome as it sounds. So for you to do your newspaper publication, it's easy. After your registration, after registering your business at the county with your county clerk, they will give you suggestions. They will recommend some tabloids, newspaper agencies that you can reach out to. Is instant. Just call them on the phone, and guess what? You're gonna get, they will help you register your business in the newspaper. They will publish your business name in the newspaper. This is just to notify the public that this name is taken, this is the person that owns this business, and you are now official. Go ahead and register your business today so that you can start earning the big bucks. The next thing you want to do is to open a business bank account. With your business bank account, you can receive 1 billion, 10 billion, So you want the big bucks? You want the big bank? A big bank, not a big back. A big bank. Yes, a big bank account. Go and register your business. I'm talking to you guys from experience. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm rooting for you, and I trust that you watching me right now, you will register your own business today. If you don't have a business name, it's okay. You can register the business name under your name. And you can use an alias or something that you've always been known with. Like for me, my business name is Chassis Everything. And that is the name of my business. Everybody calls me Chassis. And because I am a business mogul. Yeah, so I know that different businesses. I'm actually into a lot of businesses. And as a matter of fact, we just newly launched our gold business, our jewelry line. Yes, gold, pure gold, 24 karat gold. So if you're interested in getting a customized chain, Van Cleef chain, bracelets for yourself, leg chain, all kinds of chains, jewelry, we are willing, we are ready to serve you anywhere in the world, and we ship anywhere in the world. So that is about it, guys. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Oh, by the way, you might be wondering, what is this? Who is this? Pausing. This is actually my mannequin, and like I said, I made this outfit, and this is also one of my pieces that my mannequin is wearing. So let me show you what Ireti is wearing. That is the impromptu name I gave to my mannequin right now. So yes, that is about it. If you have any question for me, leave it in the comments, and please introduce yourselves. I mean it. I meant it when I said introduce yourselves in the comments. I truly and genuinely want to know you. I want to meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. And to me, President General among the nations, thank you. God bless you. In case this video has blessed you, please do well to like today's video, do well to share, and also join the family by subscribing to my channel. Turn on your notification bell and click on all so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. On this channel, we are here to win. And yes, if you want to book a free consultation with me, go ahead and join my Patreon community, and I'll also show you some things that'll get you money today. So guys, that is all I have for you today. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I'm so proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go to express, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.